Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change voice on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to change voice on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. And on this interface at the bottom of the list, you can see, guys, there is the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and this kind of interface will appear. Scroll down to the bottom of the list on this interface, and over here you can find the navigation settings over here just above the manager preferences. Tap on navigation settings and you will be able to find the voice selection option over here. Tap on voice selection option and all of the voices available from the Google Maps application will be available over here. Now you can also choose to hear that voice for a demo purpose. If you choose one of these voices and if you tap on the play test sound over here,
your destination will be on the right.
We'll be able to hear that voice for a demo. And with that being said, guys, you can change the voice on Google Maps from all these languages. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to change voice on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.